Hello students, myself Sarabjit Kaur and I'll teach GK in 7th standard. So open your books of GK, page number 27, chapter number 8, Art and Culture. Under this topic there are two topics, World of Cinema and Architectural Style and Sculpture. So firstly we will discuss about the world of cinema. The making of films began in late 19th century. Before 1927 there was motion pictures but there was no sound in it. After 1927 motion pictures were produced with the sound. Before there was no sound behind the pictures. So today we will discuss about these questions which are in your book. So name the following, take help from the given clues. You can take help from these clues. First one question is, who made her movie debut with the role of a 12-year-old girl Mathilda in a French thriller Leon the Professional? So the answer is Natalie Portman. Second one is, who directed Spirited Away, a Japanese film that is considered one of the greatest animated films ever made? So who directed Spirited Away? Japanese film. That is a Japanese film. That is a Hayao Miyazaki. The third one is, in this movie, an innocent and naive girl in Paris with her own sense of justice decides to help those around her. Name the movie. There was an innocent girl who have her own sense of justice, who decided to help the people around her. Which movie that one? In which movie? That you have to tell me the name of the girl. That is a Emily. The fourth one is, for which Italian film did Roberto Benigni win the Best Actor Oscar in 1998? So Roberto Benigni that won the Best Actor Oscar in 1998. That was a Life is Beautiful. That was the Italian film. Now the fifth one is, who directed 1955 Bengali masterpiece Patthar Panchali? So who directed? That is Satyajit Ray. It was a masterpiece. That one of the best films. It is 1925 silent film directed by Sergei Einstein and produced by Mosfilm. Name it. So who directed Sergei Einstein and produced Battlefield Ship Potemkin in 1925? It was produced. So who directed Akira in 1988 film that is considered a landmark film in Japanese animation? That is Koshutaro Otama. Eighth is, name the Iranian film that won the Oscar for Best Foreign Language Film in 2012. So that is a Separation. Ninth one is, who directed the Shawshank Redemption? That is a Frank Darabont. 10th one, which famous music composer's last film was 1942 A Love Story? That was a R.D. Burman. On whose novel was the movie The Bridge on the River Kwai based? That is answer is David Lean. The 12th is, name the first James Bond film to win an Oscar. The film which won the Oscar, that is a Goldfinger. This is all about the chapter World of Cinema. In the next one video I will tell you about the next chapter. Thanks and have a nice day. If there will be any doubts, please comment in the comment section box. I will give replies. Here is our second topic, that is architectural style and sculpture. That it is a subtopic of art and cultural chapter. So meaning of sculpture, it is an ancient form of art. It is three-dimensional. It provides us information about our history, and sculptures of ancient Egypt, Greece and India are the amazing ones. So here are some questions which we will discuss today. Answer the following and you can take help from these clues. First one is, what was the style of architecture of Turks? So the answer is domes, arcs and narrets. Second one is, name the architect who designed the Rashtrapati Bhavan. The person who designed the Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is Edwin Lutyens. Third one is, who designed the city of Chandigarh? The person who designed the Chandigarh city, that is Le Corbusier. Fourth one is, name the architect who designed the Indian International Center at Delhi. The person who designed the International Center in Delhi, that is Joseph Steen. Fifth one is, name the most frequently shown symbol on the Sanchi Stupa. On the Sanchi Stupa there is one symbol which is frequently shown, that is a lotus flower hai, you know very well. Sixth one is, which statue in Savan Bengola is believed to be the tallest and oldest surviving monolithic freestanding statue in India? That is a Gomeshwara. Seventh one is, which particular architectural feature was added to Fatehpur Sikri after almost 5 years of its completion? When the Fatehpur Sikri was completed, after the completion of it, one architectural feature was added, that was a Buland Darwaja. Eighth one is, name the ark built by Muhammad Quli Qutb Shah to commemorate the end of plague in Hyderabad. There was a disease plague in the Hyderabad. When it was ended, then one building was built over there, that was a Char Minar. Ninth one is, which Indian jail was built under the supervision of Major James Peterson Valkera, military doctor and former superintendent of the Agra jail? Answer is Salwar jail. The 10th one is, the shaking minarets in Gujarat are known for the fact that if one of them is shaken, the others tremble as well. Which mosque are they a part of? Whenever one part of any that building will shake, that minaret will shake, others will also tremble. So which mosque it is? Sidi Bashir Mosque. If there will be any doubt, please comment in the comment section and clear your doubts. Thanks and have a nice day.